right? So first, you're gonna start working through the left side, the arm that I have underneath his arm, right? So he's gonna skate to this side. So you're gonna go here, boom. Okay, we get here, right? So first thing that he can do here, he's gonna jump my foot. Here, okay. So from here, I can always recover if I step to the ground and pull me back. I can always recover, right? Because I still have my opponent between my knees. Right? As soon as he jumped my knee, yeah, now I start losing connection. Right? But I still have my chest on his back. And notice that I extend my leg, my bottom leg. I'm not gonna be here. I just extend. So from here, what I'm going to do, this hook, I'm gonna place on my calf, not behind my knee, on my calf. And now I make a hook and I extend. Now this other hook, I'm gonna open my hand, go through his ears, and I'm gonna do a half Nelson. Try to move, Bruno. I'm gonna try to move. I just want to slow him down. Okay? When he stops, I'm gonna just extend my arm, control his. You can cross your legs or not, but I need to do this. Control. Okay? I'm not gonna do this. Otherwise he can face away from me. So I go here, try to face away. He can't. I go here, right? So as soon as I get here, I'm gonna start, when I get here, I go back and down. I don't try to go to mount. I go here. Yes. Right?